Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a pretty easy recipe. I'm going to be making some crumbed lamb cutlets, bit of a, I don't know, iconic classic thing here in Aussie households from the past, and still loved by all, I'm sure in other countries too. Yeah, so I'm just starting here with, I've got 8 of these lamb cutlets that have been trimmed and cut and everything. What I'm going to do with those first, I've just got them lying on some glad wrap there, plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it, cling film wrap. I'm going to put another layer on top, and I'm just going to gently, with my hand, I'm not using a mallet or anything, just spread that out a little bit. I'm not looking to make really thin sort of schnitzel type cutlets, but you can use the palm of your hand as well, whatever sort of works. But the point is, I'm not bashing it really thin. Alright, and I'll just put those aside for a minute. Alrighty, so just in my little mini processor here, I'm going to put 1/3 cup of grated parmesan. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm putting in a teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, a little bit of black pepper, and some salt. I'm just going to give that a little whiz up, just to make my parmesan a little bit finer than what it is. Alrighty guys, so I've got my crumbing station quickly set up here. I've got 2 eggs with just a splash of water that I've whisked up. I've got some panko breadcrumbs, that's a good cup, as well as that parmesan, dried parsley, garlic powder and seasoning. I've mixed that all through those panko breadcrumbs. Got a plate there ready to put them on. Got my cutlets here. Like I say, I didn't bash them too thin, just slightly. And obviously we're just going to coat them in our egg. Easy peasy, straight into our crumbs. Press them on a little bit, not too much. And we'll get them onto a plate. I'll keep going with those. And then what I might do is I just might put those in the fridge just for about 15 minutes or so when I've done them all. Alrighty, I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so it's just about 10 minutes later. I've just got my small fry pan here, and I've liberally filled that up with vegetable oil. Just had it heating up. I'm just going to cook these. This is a small fry pan, so maybe only, I'll see how many fit in. I think hoping for 3, 4 would be good, but if not, I'll just be patient. And I've got a wire rack set up over here. Now I'm envisaging only about a minute and a half, 2 minutes each side. Well, just wait till they're golden, however long that takes. We want the crumbs cooked. Looks like I'll be able to go 4, which is good because I've got 8, so 2 batches. Alrighty guys, so I've just served up some of my crumb lamb cutlets. I've made a little bit of a Asian salad to accompany my chops. Yeah, nothing too fancy, just your usual Asian sort of greens, carrot, cabbage, nice dressing. That's just what I felt like. You can have this with anything. A lot of people like it with mashed potato and gravies. Yeah, whatever you want. But of course the star of the show is our cutlet. And I'm just going to waste no time. I'm just going to take a bite into that and see how it tastes. And that is absolutely delicious. That's heaven on earth. So yummy. The lamb is so tender, juicy, got a nice crunch on the outside with that panko and parmesan crumb. Man, I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of this right now. So thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Really appreciate it, you guys. I say it every time because I mean it. If you're not a subscriber yet, can you do us a favour, hit that subscribe button? That would be awesome. It doesn't cost you anything. There's no obligation on your part. It just helps my channel out. That's the only thing it does. So if you can do me that small one, that'd be great. Alrighty guys, I will see you all next time.